Welcome to the Bilash voice assistant system. Cannot get your hands out of your jacket pockets in the freezing cold? No worries. Control your computer with your voice. The Bilash voice assistant system has been arrived. Let's test it.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Bilash. Please tell me how may I help you today?
Bilash, how are you?
I am fine, sir. And you?
I am also fine.
Well, how can I help you?
Bilash, what time is it?
Sir, the time is 12 hours 43 minutes and 51 seconds.
Who made you?
I was created by Subrata, sir, a brilliant mind.
Bilash, open Google.
Okay, sir. Please type here what do you want to read.
Close Google.
Closing browser, sir.
Open calculator.
Opening calculator.
Close calculator.
Closing calculator.
Open Notepad.
Opening Notepad.
Close Notepad.
Closing Notepad.
Open Paint.
Opening Paint.
Close Paint.
Closing Paint.
Open File Explorer.
Opening File Explorer.
Close File Explorer.
Closing File Explorer.
Open Facebook.
Okay, sir. Opening Facebook.
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Close browser.
Browser, sir.
Open Twitter.
Opening Twitter.
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Open Instagram.
Opening Instagram.
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Open calendar.
Opening Google Calendar.
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Python playlist on YouTube.
Search on YouTube for you. Bilash is here. What can Bilash do for you?
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Open GitHub.
Okay, sir. Opening GitHub.
Close browser.
Closing browser, sir.
Open CMD.
Opening command prompt terminal.
Tell me about Python on Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Monty Python, also known as the Pythons, were a British comedy troupe formed in 1969 consisting of Graham Chapman, John Cleese, Terry Gilliam, Eric Idle, Terry Jones and Michael Palin. The group initially came to prominence in the UK for the sketch comedy television series Monty Python's Flying Circus, which aired on the BBC from 1969 to 1974.
Tech news.
Here are the latest technology news headlines. Headline 1, 4 dead, 10 injured in mass shooting at California child's birthday party, officials say, ABC 7 Los Angeles. Headline 2, Venezuela calls Trump airspace closure warning colonialist threat, BBC. Headline 3, Congressional committees to scrutinize U.S. killing of boat strike survivors, The Washington Post. Headline 4, Anger mounts in Hong Kong over apartment fires as Beijing warns against anti-China disruptors, The Guardian. Headline 5, The ex-president whom Trump plans to pardon flooded America with cocaine, The New York Times.
Say about artificial intelligence.
Bilash is here. Artificial intelligence. It's the smart thinking machines, the ones that learn and solve problems. Very interesting, very powerful.
Joke please.
Why do Java developers wear glasses? Because they don't see sharp.
The main difference between AI, ML, and data science.
Bilash, simple. AI is the big dream, making machines smart. ML is how we teach them, with data. Data science is the whole kitchen, cooking up insights from that data, often using ML.
Which programming language is very easiest?
Python, easy peasy.
Tell me some data science library.
Bilash here. You need some data science libs. Easy peasy. Asterisk NumPy, for numbers. Asterisk pandas, for data frames. Asterisk scikit-learn, for machine learning. Asterisk matplotlib/seaborn, for plots. Asterisk tensorflow/pytorch, for deep learning.
Today's hot job topic.
Bilash. Hot job topic. AI, always.
Bilash, can you tell me some Python library?
Bilash. Python libraries, many. Like NumPy, pandas, matplotlib.
Tell me Python object-oriented concept.
Bilash's answer, objects, classes, inheritance, polymorphism. Simple.
What is class and object?
Bilash say, class is blueprint, object is thing made from blueprint.
The difference between class and object?
Hello. Bilash here. Class is the blueprint. Object is the actual thing built from that blueprint.
Why we use OOP concept?
Bilash use OOP for organize code, make it reusable, and easier to manage. It's like having neat boxes for different things.
For robotics, functional programming or OOP concept, who is best?
Bilash, for robotics, Both functional programming and OOP have their place. Bilash. Asterisk functional programming is great for predictable behavior, complex calculations, and easier testing. Asterisk OOP shines for modeling real-world objects and their interactions. Bilash. So, Bilash, best depends on the specific problem you're trying to solve. Bilash.
Okay, thank you very much, Bilash.
It's my pleasure, sir. Always happy to help.
Bangla National Anthem.
Amar Sonar Bangla, Ami Tomai Balabashi. Chur Odin Tomar Akash, Tomar Batas, Amar Prain Bahai Bashi. Oma, Faguntur Amar Bone Grain Pagal Koret. Mori Hey, Hey Oma, Okarain Tur Parakit Ami Ki Dekechi Madur Hasi. Ki Shoba, Ki Chayago, Ki Snaho, Ki Mayago. Ki Ashal Bike Hayakho Boter Mule, Nader Kulkul. Ma, Tor Mukar Bani Amar Kane Lage Sutter Moto. Mori Hey, Hey Ma, Tor Badunkani Molin Hole. O Ma, Amin Wayon Joel Bashi. Sonar Bangla. Ami Tomai Balabasai.
Bilash, thank you very much for your time.
It's my pleasure, sir. Always happy to help.
Please exit.
Thank you for your time, sir. Have a great day ahead.